guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today I'm going to be doing a confetti cake inspired soap. For the fragrance, I'm going to be using cotton-headed ninny muggins from Nature's Garden. And I've been collecting all of the shavings from all of the soaps that I've done. So I'm just going to throw these in, and I'm going to keep it, the base soap, fairly simple today. I'm just going to basically just color it white with titanium dioxide, use the main fragrance oil, and that's all she wrote. I did not discount the amount of soap I'm using from adding in the shavings, so I do have some extra 1 pound loaves to the side because I'm sure that there's going to be plenty extra to go around. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got my lye water ready, so let's add that to my oils. And I added the sugar and sodium lactate. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in the titanium dioxide. I usually need a bit more since my soap batter is pretty green yellow in color. Gonna go ahead and probably use all of this then. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my fragrance oil now. Okay, that looks good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add in some of my shavings. There we go. Yeah, this smells really good, definitely like a lovely dessert. Yeah, this is a very well behaving fragrance oil. I'm really surprised. It's like definitely making it take longer to trace up. So if you want to do something with intricate swirls, this would be a great fragrance oil to use for that. Okay. And it looks like the soap scraps are holding well, so let's go ahead and get the mold. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour it in then. There we go. Okay, and now for the top, I do still want to keep it mostly flat, but I do have my sprayer with the Super Sparkle Mica from Mad Micas, so I'm just gonna spritz the top of it with a little bit of shimmer. There we go. And then I'm also going to add some of these bio glitter. It's chunky, definitely looks like traditional glitter, but it's all fully biodegradable, so I'm going to add that in on one side. Just to make it extra fun and sparkly. I was super excited to find this, so I can't wait to see how well it performs. There we go. Okay, this is all ready to go, so I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Bye. Hi guys, it's Erin, and we're back the next day to cut the soap, and I have one assistant with me today. Introduce yourself. Nathan. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Nathan William Muller.
You're Nathan Oliver Moeller.
Nathan Oliver Muller.
Okay, we're gonna make the first cut. Ready, Nate?
Yeah.
Do you want to cut it or should I cut it?
I want to get it.
Okay.
Hey. Hey, there's one.
There we go. Here's the first one. Ooh, what do you think, Nate?
What
Stop.
was this piece?
Nathan, what do you think? That's a beautiful little piece of confetti cake.
From confetti cake. I love confetti cake.
Me too. Does it smell like confetti cake?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, time for another cut.
To try it.
Ooh.
I'm gonna
Hold
see
on.
what it feels like.
Okay, hold on.
Wow. It looks like
Confetti cake?
confetti cake. Yeah, it does.
How does it smell?
Like confetti cake.
Smells like confetti cake?
Yeah, confetti cake.
Yeah, I love it. It's like mostly the little ones, but every once in a while you get like a longer piece.
Confetti cake! Confetti cake!
Oh, careful, Nate. You're getting too excited?
Yeah.
Is this an exciting day?
Whoa! I'm gonna twirl this in.
Uh-uh.
Is
We're
that
not.
for turning off?
That makes it nice and light and bright. Ooh, that's a fun one. Nice long piece.
Smell it. Still smells like confetti cake. I'm gonna put it in the line.
Okay. Good job. Thank you. You're a good little helper.
Confetti soap! Confetti soap.
Is this the best soap ever?
Yeah. I saw a tank that came from this to that part.
Oh, yeah?
That to that part. And down. And that part.
So, Nathan,
And
what's your favorite
straight
part
in the-
about soap?
That part.
Do you like Mommy's soap?
I like the confetti soap.
You like the confetti soap? Is it your favorite?
Can you take this old pipe off? Can you take this old pipe off?
Ooh, this one has another nice long piece in it.
Yeah. Still smells like confetti. Can you get this old pipe off?
Nope, that's what holds my camera.
Then we can do. What can I?
Nope, don't touch it.
Is that where the air goes?
This just holds up my camera. Is that so pretty?
Why does it take a picture of us? Why does it
Yeah.
take a picture of you? Of you.
There we go. Oh, hold on, hold on. Gotta lift it up first. Clean the wire. Scoot it over. That's right. You can do it. Good job.
I'm gonna pick it out.
Okay, you can take it out. Okay, and then we gotta show the camera. Ooh. Yeah, and these longer, bigger chunks, those are the Moon Glow soap that have the glow-in-the-dark piece. Oh, we're getting towards the end, Nate. Whoops, careful.
Gonna clean that wire up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay,
I'm gonna try it myself.
you can do it.
Gotta get that.
You are meticulous.
I need to try that by myself.
Yes, you can do it by yourself. Do you need help?
No.
Do you just like watching it?
Sure.
Good job. Alright. Ooh, that's a pretty one, huh? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Remember, we gotta lift it up, clean off the wire. Good job.
I'm gonna try that by myself.
You wanna do it yourself again? Okay. Nathan, how old are you?
4 years old.
4 years old?
That means I'm a little bit strong.
Yeah, you are a bit strong. Are you my best helper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like it when Mommy makes the soaps?
I'm gonna try that by myself.
Yes, you can do it. Oh, man, you are so strong. Here's another piece. Good job.
I'm gonna try that by myself.
Ooh. Start putting these over here.
I'm gonna try that by myself.
Yes, you can do it. Good job. Ooh, another beautiful piece of confetti soap.
I'm gonna try myself.
Think we might have enough for one more bar. Yeah, this will be a nice little sample.
And this one too.
Yeah. There we go. That's all the confetti soap. Nope.
More.
No, we're all done. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. What do you want to say, Nate?
Bye bye.
Bye.